guys! Welcome back to my channel. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. I would just like to share with you what I found tonight from the Facebook page of Bureau of Immigration, Republic of the Philippines, which is an hour ago, 28th of May, which is tonight. Bureau of Immigration hires 100 new officers. The Bureau of Immigration announced the hiring of 100 new primary inspectors who will be deployed to the Ninoy Aquino International Airport, or NAIA, and other ports before the year ends. So that's very good news, guys. Bureau of Immigration Commissioner Jaime Morente said a total of 100 new employees with the item of Immigration Officer 1 were recently appointed by Justice Secretary Minardo Guevara to fill up vacancies in the Bureau's plantilla. Morente hailed the appointment of the new Bureau of Immigration officers, saying it could not have come at a more opportune time as the Bureau anticipates a gradual reopening of the country's border to more international travelers in the next several months. So that's really good, guys. That's stepping, forward. We are actually getting in there, it's not just for us former Filipinos trying to get back to the Philippines, but also for foreigners that would like to visit our country, that would like to visit their fiancé or future wife, or families, or existing families and friends, of course. That's really good news for everyone. We thank Secretary Guevara for these new appointments. We will be more prepared and are assured that sufficient manpower will be available in our ports to address the influx of passengers, Morente said. According to Personnel Chief Clifton Medina, 94 of the newly hired immigration officers have plantilla positions under the Immigrations Regulation Division, while 6 are under the Port Operations Division. Medina said the 100 are set to be deployed soon, upon submissions of the required documents and completion of their extensive training on immigration's laws, rules, and procedures. However, due to the pandemic, the new employees will have to be trained through virtual learning sessions instead of the usual face-to-face stay-in classes at the Bureau of Immigration's Training Academy in Clark, Pampanga. Morente said the bulk of the new Bureau of Immigration inspectors will be deployed to the NAIA, the country's premier port. We are hoping that our international flight operations will be gradually returned to normal before the year ends, following the government's aggressive vaccines campaign. As the country begins to reopen its economy, perhaps so too will our borders reopen slowly. Thus, I have ordered that these new immigration officers be trained immediately so they can graduate in time for the normalizations of our international travel operations, Morente said. So that's really good, guys. So yeah, so that's really good. That's very, very good news, guys. Let's hope that this would happen. We hope that what they said actually would happen, guys. So the government and the officers, whoever's in charge in the government must feel confident that we can do this, guys. Especially there's already a vaccine going on. They are already distributing a lot of vaccines in the Philippines, and of course a lot of countries also do that, but I just like to share with you guys. So how about those people who have health problem that they can't actually get the vaccine? Yeah, we will find a way. Surely the governments and other countries would find a way of if people don't wanna have a vaccine, probably because of a health condition, that might cause a complications if they do have a if they would have a vaccine. So anyway, guys, so let's talk about the bright side. So I can't wait to actually see this happening. It says in a few months time. So yeah, there we are, and that's my news for tonight for you guys. Hope you like this video, guys. If you do, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you would like to share your stories, guys, to other people, don't forget to leave a comment below. You might know something that I don't know. Please do so. Leave a comment below and share with us. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this video, guys. Bye for now.